how can you turn any phantom into an API? So it is something which is possible to do with Phantom Buster. You will just need to use API like agent launch on point. There's just one tricky point, which is how to pass parameter to your phantom. You have basically two big arguments in this query. One is phantom ID, so I will show you how to get this one. But the most tricky one is the argument, which is the in setting of your phantom. This needs to be provided in the form of a JSON that if I put a cookie parameter here, for instance, and let's say like a URL profile, it will be appearing in here. And generating this JSON is not that straightforward. It will be different for every phantom. The easiest way to get this JSON is to use user interface of Phantom Buster. So you can just pick the phantom you're interested in. For instance, let's say you want to use the Google Maps scrapper. Put in there the input you are interested in. And then click here, switch to JSON. In order to have this option, you will have to enable developer mode. I will link a video about this topic. This is the JSON you need to provide in argument. And if you want to have like more complex setup, like for example, you want to be limiting results, you can just like you have that here and shift back to JSON, and to give you the proper syntax to be calling this argument. So this is the main way you will be getting this argument. And the Phantom ID, you have it here in URL always after Phantom Buster. You have the ID of the phantom, so this is the first parameter you need to acquire. And with this, you will be able to launch the phantom on demand, and you can dynamically update the setup of this phantom for it to have like different input. One last thing you need to pay attention to if you are using API to call phantom will be orchestration. But if you are using, for example, a phantom about LinkedIn, you need to pay attention to not run two phantoms at the same time with the same like cookie parameter, so LinkedIn account linked to it. And it means if you are controlling Phantom Buster via API call, you need to think about how you will be orchestrating things and how you will prevent having run in parallel and this kind of thing.